Hello guys, today we learn what is internal access modifier. Internal access modifier is limited to the current assembly, not by the other assembly. A common use of internal access is in component-based development because it enables a group of components to cooperate in a private manner without being exposed to the rest of the application code. Let us see how can you implement. Now open Visual Studio, go to File, New and take a project. Select Windows and Console Applications and put name here, folder name, Internal Modifier. Also put the application name Internal Modifiers and click on OK button. Now you can see here your program.cs file created of the console applications. Now I have to put here a code to test the internal access modifier. How can we use? Let us make a class, internal class InternalAccessMd. Put here internal class internal access modifier, and I have taken here string internal modifier and define the internal here. Now I have to use. How can use? Let us see. Make object new internal access modifiers. Now put here object dot internal modifiers and store in a string like strings name equal to, and now show in the console, so I have to write here Console.WriteLine and put here name. Also write one line Console.ReadKey, so at the time of showing the data in console it will be showing until you press any key, and put semicolon. Now you can see one overview. I have defined one internal class and define also one string member in the class, and in main method we make object internal access modifier, then access object or internal modifier in store in string name, and then after we can print the console application. Now run the application and see what you will get the result. So you can see here result are showing like I am internal modifier. When you press any key it can exit the program. So here we implemented the internal modifier. Thanks for watching. If you want to view more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.